Dear student, good morning all. Today I am taking DSS online class and I am taking English grammar. And today I am teaching you all the remaining part of preposition. Look towards the blackboard and I have taken so many examples of prepositions and also I am trying to tell you the correct uses of prepositions. So need to be alert and listen my teaching very carefully because it is very important topic in your life. Look, first of all, today I am telling you about the preposition since. Since you know all, since is used to show the definite time. Since is used to show the definite time, a perfect time, just like since Monday, since 1992, since any definite time you can add, and be used since in present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense to show the definite time. Since indicates the definite time when the action begins. Example, I have taken an example of present perfect continuous tense. She has been sleeping since 9 o'clock. She has been sleeping since 9 o'clock. Same way, there are a lot of examples in which you can use the preposition since to show the definite time when the work is being done regularly. Same way, she has been sleeping since 9 o'clock. And for indicates that the action continues or continued for the whole period. And for is used to show indefinite means indefinite time. Indefinite, it is definite, and since is used for definite and for is used for indefinite time. Means be used preposition for to show the indefinite time, like for 2 years, for 2 hours, for 2 days, for many months. Same, and be also use preposition for in the present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. So you can give a lot of examples for to use for to show the preposition for. Suppose that you have been living in this city for many years. You have been living in this city for many years. There is no definite time. So I will use preposition for to show the indefinite time. And the next after. After means when a work is finished. And then after another work start. Means after a given time. After a given time. They appeared after T. They appeared after T. Means this sentence shows that first work is done and then second work starts. So, to show this, we use preposition after. We use preposition after. And now I will tell you about preposition of place. Preposition of place means by using these prepositions in, on, at, to, we can show the place. We can show the place. At, in at, there is any work is being done. First of all, I have taken in. First of all, I have taken in. In, on, at, to, into. These are all prepositions. These are all prepositions. Look, use of in the room, in the rain, in the country, etc. Like this, we can use these in our sentences. Suppose that I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi, and it tells about a particular place. A place given. In the route, in the lane, in the country, etc. And now I am telling you about another preposition of place, on. For place of work, on is used. The preposition on is used for place of work. On a form, on the railway time, on the project, etc. We can use preposition on in this way. At home, at work, at the river or lake, at sea, etc. At sea, at sea, etc. Means you can use these prepositions in your sentence properly and correctly if you will study these points, and also you will keep in your memory. Suppose that any student is telling, I am at home. Where do you live? I live at my village. Same way. And the preposition to. Preposition to. To means, suppose that like I am going to school, I am going to the GT road, etc. And into preposition into shows preposition into shows motion. If we want to show the motion in the sense of in, then we use into in the place of in. Used with the verb of motion, just like a cat entered into the room, frog jumped into the well. Look, preposition of travel and movement. Preposition of travel and movement. We use preposition from, to, by, on, in, into, of, out of, at, etc. First of all, I will tell you about from, object to. In this sense, सपोज दैट जैसे आप किसी एक पार्टिकुलर प्लेस से दूसरे पार्टिकुलर प्लेस पर जा रहे हैं तो आपको लिखना चाहिए जैसे आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम अमृतसर टू दिल्ली, फ्रॉम अमृतसर टू दिल्ली. बाई इज यूज्ड टू शो मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. जैसे हम पैदल यात्रा कर रहे हैं, साइकिल से कर रहे हैं, बस से कर रहे हैं, ट्रेन से कर रहे हैं, इस टाइप से. सपोज दैट बाय बस, बाय कार, बाय एयर, बाय सी, बाय ट्रेन, बाय एरोप्लेन, बाय बोट एक्सेट्रा. On, we use on. We go to school on foot. We go to school on foot. Same way on foot, on bicycle, on horseback, etc. In a town, in a village, etc. In and into, in object into. Anyone can use in your sentence as neat, a car, object, bus, etc. Off means जैसे कहीं आप बैठे हुए हैं, सपोज दैट यू आर सिटिंग और वहां से उतर रहे हैं, मतलब उससे अलग हो रहे हैं, तो आप यू विल यूज प्रीपोजिशन टू डबल एफ ऑफ. Off a bicycle, off the horse, etc. Alight means utarna. Out of a car, out of a bus, out of the train, etc. In the sense of alight. And at the railway station, at the bus station, at the river, etc. These are all preposition of travel and movement. These are all preposition of travel and movement. So need to the correct use of preposition so that you can form a correct sentence.